Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common question. How to move your money out of Betterment, the popular robo-advisor platform that's great for automated investing. Whether you're switching to another investment app, needing cash for a big purchase, or just reevaluating your finances, this guide will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, a quick refresher. Betterment is an online platform that helps you invest your money automatically based on your goals and risk tolerance. It's user-friendly, but if you need to withdraw funds, it's straightforward too. Start by logging into your Betterment account through their website or mobile app. Make sure you have your login details handy. If you don't, you'll need to reset your password first. Once you're logged in, head to the Accounts or Transfers section, usually found in the main dashboard. Here, look for the Withdraw Funds or Transfer Money option. This is where the magic happens. Select the account you want to withdraw from. Betterment might have multiple if you've got different portfolios set up. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal requirements, which are typically around $10, and keep an eye out for potential fees. Betterment doesn't charge for withdrawals to your linked bank account, but external transfers might have costs depending on your bank. Now, choose your destination. This could be your checking account, savings, or even another brokerage if you're doing an ACAT transfer for investments. Link your bank account if you haven't already. It usually involves verifying a small test deposit. After that, review all the details carefully. Double-check the amount, destination, and any tax implications, as withdrawing could affect your investments. Hit the Confirm button, and you're all set. Processing times vary, but it often takes 3 to 5 business days for the funds to appear in your account. One last tip. If you're moving to another investment platform, consider a direct transfer to avoid selling assets and potential taxes. And always consult a financial advisor if this involves a big chunk of your savings. There you have it. Moving money out of Betterment is easier than you might think. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.